What's up, sellers, and welcome to today's video. Hey, it's been a few days since I've uploaded, and I'm happy to share with you some stuff that I was able to pick up from the thrift store over the past couple days. Hey, welcome back, and thank you for joining in on this video. Happy to share with you some of the things that I picked up from a couple local thrift stores. One is actually Goodwill, and the other is CHKD, which is a children's hospital nonprofit thrift store. So I'm going to go over the children's hospital thrift store items first, and then we will dive into the Goodwill stuff. I'm happy to share this stuff. The reason I make these videos is because I want to show you what I'm finding so that hopefully it will shed light on brands or items that maybe you are not familiar with. And then when you come across them in your sourcing journey as eBay sellers, as Poshmark sellers, you can scoop those up and make some profit. Really quick, if this video provides value for you, don't forget to smash that like button. And then if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing for future content like this video. Just a quick disclaimer, I did not wear my GoPro in the thrift store whenever I got this stuff, so we don't have any of that footage. I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I got, and let's dive in. The first thing is this pair of Rika sandals, Rika Gingers. I actually bought a pair of these last week, and they already sold. They were gray and black. These are white and blue. I don't know how much I paid. Oh, $3.98 with 25% off. I went on Military Monday because I'm prior military. I got 25% off, so I paid $3 for these. Everything from the Children's Hospital, I will tell you what the original price was. I got 25% off of that. And then everything from Goodwill, I'll tell you what the original price was, and I got 20% off because I had my little stamp card, frequent shopper stamp card. Also, really quickly, if you hear kind of a humming noise from within my office, it's because I have my AC going. It is about 92 degrees outside, and I have an upstairs office above my garage, so it gets pretty warm. The next thing, this is not any kind of a shocking item. In fact, none of these are really shocking items from this particular store. Hang around for the Goodwill stuff. That's where it gets pretty good. $5 original price on these Nikes. Not even quite sure what the style. They're kind of like a patent leather thing going on. A little bit of scuff marks. We're gonna clean those up. I paid $3.75, right? Is that my math right? I don't know. I don't really pay, as long as like they're not more than $7 or $8, I don't really pay attention to the price. I checked comps on those. The comps, they didn't have that colorway having been sold, but similar colorways of that exact style have sold for $25 to $35. And so I will probably shoot mine on the lower end of that. Next, to be on the lookout for, if you are sourcing stuff for this summer season, are these Skechers Yoga Foam. See, it says Skechers, and then under that it says Yoga Foam. Super comfortable style sandals. It's like yoga mat material that you step on. $5 I paid, I guess $3.75. What is the math on that? Hey, $3.75. Yeah, I was right. Another pair, super hot to look out for. I had just bought a pair of these and they sold within 2 days. A pair of Keen Youth kind of water sandals. Not bad. I think, what are the price? $4.98, so I paid $3.75 again on those. Then these right here, they don't say Yoga Foam on them, but they are a Yoga Foam foot bed Speedo sandals. And they're brand new. They still have the tag on them. So $1.98, I paid $1.50. And if I can get 15 bucks or 18 bucks shipped, like shipping included, then I will be happy with that. I got this Mizuno hat. It's brand new, still has the tag on it. There's a little bit of kind of dirt, probably from sitting at the thrift store on there. I'm gonna clean that off, but it is a Mizuno Hydro Cool. Did not even check the comps on this. What did I pay for it? It was $2.98. I paid 75% of that. I got 25% off. So not really sure what that is off the top of my head, but I'll sell it for 10 or 12 bucks, and that'll be that. This genuine leather relic purse. I go through the purses and I always look for genuine leather because even if it's not a huge name, generally you can make some money off of genuine leather purses. So I took a risk on this. Similar purses to this, I couldn't find this exact one, but similar purses to this are selling in the $30 to $35 range. Original price $7, and so I paid 7 minus 25%. I'm not very good at the maths, so you'll have to just, yeah, really nice purse, no stains, rips, tears, no wear. It's a little bit dirty on the bottom, probably from like the previous owner having set it down, but it's nice, gray and kind of like an off-white thing going on. Yeah, I'm confident that will sell quickly and easily. This next purse I paid up on, I feel like. It's called Jingpin. I think I'm saying that right. See there, Jingpin, Jingpin. It's got a little scuff on the front. I'm going to clean that off with a magic eraser. This is a 3-piece set, but they charged me one price for 2 pieces and then another price for the 3rd piece. So it has this little, let me show you. You got this little bag here. I'm assuming you could put your billions and billions of dollars in here. You got this little purse here for all your, I'm assuming, makeup, or maybe this is just kind of like, I don't know what this is. I'm not super skilled with purses. And then you have the tote style bag. So 1, 2, 3. That's it. Yeah. Sets similar to this are selling for $35 to $45 in this brand. It is faux leather, not real leather. And so that, I guess, could be a selling point for some, or maybe many. Yeah, I paid for the big tote and this thing, whatever, $7 minus 20%. And then for this smaller purse, I paid $5 minus 20%. So I'm all in, I guess, $11, $10, I don't know. I'm pretty confident that I can sell it. The one disappointing thing is that it's missing, I think it's missing the strap that goes here. However, this strap, I believe, comes off and is probably the strap to that. So it's like mix, match kind of thing. Whatever. So that's everything from the first store. That is the Children's Hospital store, the first store that I sourced. Yeah, let's get into Goodwill. All right, the very first thing, I have this one killer item. Let me just tell you, I paid, let me see. This one killer item I paid $5.50 for. Comps are $300 plus. I'll say $250 plus on eBay. So stick around to the end for that. This item, I don't remember if I bought these for myself or if I bought them to resell. I think I bought them for myself because I was looking at the resale prices and I was like, there's no way I'm going to get anything close to the... Anyways, it's these Adidas slides right there. $8.99 minus 20%. It's $1.80 off. The new price for these is like $20-25. The used price is $14-15. So I think I bought these for myself. I can't really remember my thought process that day. I'll keep them. They seem comfortable and they're my size. So I probably bought them for myself. Next, we have this pair of youth Vans. These are glittery. They're like a gray glitter. They need to be cleaned. It only has one shoelace. So I might source a set of shoelaces for this, the glittery shoelace, or I might just sell them without. I've had very good success selling Vans without shoelaces because people could just get them. Yeah, I paid $3 for these, I think, because they're youth. And so I'm pretty confident I can sell them for $18 shipped, which will bring a little bit of profit. Next, we paid $5.50 for these Saucony Ignition 4s. Comps are $30 for these, so not a lot to say. They're clean, there's no holes, very little wear, and the soles look good. So $5.50 to $30 revenue. These Pumas are like hit or miss for me, but this particular model, this particular shoe, has some really good comps, selling for $40 to $45, and I paid $5.50, minus 20%. Next, a pair that I paid a little bit more for. These are $8.99, and it's a pair of Nike Shox, but a different kind of Shox, I guess. I don't remember the comps. They are women's, size 10. I don't remember the comps. I want to say probably $35 to $45. I'm happy to get them. They definitely need to be cleaned. They have some dirtiness kind of on this part of the shoe right here. So I've never seen the Shox like this. It's just like the 2 shock thing, but I've had tremendous success selling Shox. it is, I guess, what it is. Next, this pair of Born sandals, wedges. Good success selling these things in the past. The heels, the soles, everything looks really good on these. Very, very good condition. I'm happy to get these. I'm very confident that they will turn some profit. Similar styles to these we're selling in the $30 range. I paid $5.50 minus 20%. Now for a couple shirts. This first shirt is a Hawaiian shirt. I really dig it. It seems like a really comfortable shirt. The material, just the way it drapes and falls, it seems pretty comfortable. It's called Hilo Hattie or Hilo Hattie, H-I-L-O, Hilo or Hilo Hattie. The Hawaiian original, made in Hawaii, size large. I paid $5 for it. Similar are going 25 to 35-ish, depending on the color and all of that. It has like that wood button kind of look. I'm not sure if they're actually wood, but it looks like it, so that's that. Kind of a heavy hitting item for me right here. I'm super excited about this. Vintage. Miami Dolphins pullover sweatshirt, 1990. Right there, I'm not sure if you can see that. 1990. Super pumped about this. I paid $4 for it. No rips, tears, or stains. It does have a lot of pills all over it. So I have my pill eater, and I will eat those pills up. But I'm confident that we're going to get some money out of this. This is an item going into summer, may not sell right away. However, wait for fall, wait for football season. I'm very confident in this, and this is definitely something worth buying to hold for that fall season, for football to hopefully start up again. I'm not a sports guy. However, I am a salesperson, and I love when football season comes around because we sell a lot of football inventory. 1990 Miami Dolphin sweatshirt. It's an extra large, but here's kind of the cool part. Made in the USA. So made in United States of America. Awesome. Now, finally, the heavy hitting item. I had to shake myself. What's going on here? When I found these, I was kind of sourcing through. It was the second week that Goodwill was back open. I'm going through the shoes. Everything is severely overpriced in my Goodwill right now. I do not know what's going on. Like, shoes are supposed to be $5.50 unless marked otherwise. And just about every pair of shoes is marked otherwise. And so I came across this shoe right here, brand new. Still has the size label on the bottom, right there, size 39, European, Gucci. Gucci, I'm telling you, I can't even believe it. So very skeptical, picked them up, started going through them. Went on eBay. They're selling for $250 on the very low end as used, all the way up $300, $400 for new. I will probably list these. I don't know. I don't know. I went through and I checked significant markers for these. The inside, checking out where they put the Gucci name, the labeling, the stitching, like how things are supposed to look. And they appear to me to be authentic. I'm not sure how that's gonna play out. We'll see. They're really excellent condition, and so I'm excited about these. Let me know in the comments below whether you feel like these are fake. If you feel like they're fake, let me know. I'm always open to people's thoughts and opinions. Yeah, a really good looking shoe, very clean. It feels like good quality. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for tuning into this video and checking out these little finds that I got. Super pumped, super thankful that you came and checked out the video. If you are not already a subscriber, consider subscribing for future videos like this. If you like this video and got value out of it, smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And then finally, leave a comment about those shoes, whatever you think. As always, keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.